Okay guys, so as you can see, napakaganda ng banner natin ngayon and di natin palalampasin yan, kukunin natin silang lahat. Okay, so sisimulan natin since meta ngayon tong si Puppet, kukunin natin siya since siya yung pinaka-filter dito. Guaranteed na siya pag na-complete natin tong Mythical PT, which is equivalent to 20,000 kasi 50 times 400 equals 20,000. So, huwag natin patagalin pa at kukunin na natin siya. See? Medyo gawin lang. Oh my goodness, nakuha na ba natin? Mythic guys. My goodness guys, Mythic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, Mythic. Hanap. Ito na siya. The moment of truth. Damn bro. So good. Sino ba to? Sino ba si Puppet? Saan? I mean, may natitira pa tayong 14,000 pero I think hindi na natin siya i-release kasi nakuha na natin si wait lang, nilagyan na natin yung sa may wait lang unequip lang natin. Asan na yun si Puppet? Oo. Get ko na. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Gagawa muna kami ng quest and challenges. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And yun lang yung mga nagastos natin. Sobrang konti lang and really worth it. I think it's about 7,000. Hindi ko masyado nabilang pero I think it's about 7,000 or 6,000. Basta mga ganun range. And that's really worth it kasi madami pa natira sa atin para pag-ipunan ulit yung mga magagandang lalabas sa banner. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you next week.